Hey, de kon de is nog tsagi do she kodo hilashne gi kon de jen de shne da pa altrada no shenigi ado di kade hagi bi alle shahot aon hot en do agisi shahot de halan hiten di sada kiss di dan tien ADG welche die do benatje in dat niet in do lesson so de kies dat sege ja die de el kies en el kwedi el sege ja hojon na tino je die de ja had is ja al enigi hamayen an tina sam an tina die niet die de en de hojon na tin holje Ado ndol kilge din dol kilya kashnagi. Do adi de ya benani tienda nana tlachigo oyo hashkena haleno nam tiendo do ida nenigidi na yeje nam tieno na yeje nam tien. Kodin he balkani nenigidi di benani tieno. Kojigogi digi chu chul ingo kwe alle doshi oyo do ya etan halenda ida da yi yada ida da kwe da di nicht da di no dan sikkes da di nenige khojug do leste njon do lesgi ata din ko dina eshi karbai kisha ado yos kahi bik hoya ya the more do lesti da the more the more behind Kojugo na kijinda nishkone dole. Ado kajinda nishkone. Ado di chigone di dole. Evik dole. Kachi dole. Okoko di dole kwe. Ay ingit ayon sa shlesa. Koshi. Jo koko di bena nisht hil ni zingo. Di kwe gable gana kesho tapi isnya. ADG na din allagon the more legia wiggle yagi. Onet a hodged ego at any given that any heat a hodged ego. ADG batitika. Oko the mobis kan equatique ishlag ADA that the mobis kan the ade. Adona kijena and shonatida. Okoko kwe bayashtigi. The more the shinigi. Ya sakis alchin bishin sakis. De ashin sakis. Hadi oriyat ahojit ya. Lagana kisho seda ajdo li khala ajo yisi chini sakis kan. Ado shimil tana kisho ajdo li. Ahojit ahana hadish oriya. It is up to you. It is up to you. Ahojit Edo da rules to live by. Edo that's grandma's saying. Ado the next saying the najigo hotan nehanika. And then also one of them might be get up early in the morning. That's just a do this. Edo thou take care of yourself. Ado hunne oltagone that the a classroom behavior hanigi Ada jobaya that the listen to teachers and others. Is to sit still da. Edo da raise your hand to teach. We're gonna make classroom rules this year. Dan hirat tibits ado o yishinte. you see get lengi a dig a an so kada di a ties cargo and general case and that did me. Okay, DJ do on side case they that. The neck as you go a it is up to you. Nengi a there has ani be hijinado hijinado at the best ani be hijinado. Ado hamasan or aho jut ego yet. Ado rules live by behas ani be hijinado. Ado konege ya hamasana konile. Edo tada hotene do hanile. Abenda na den na da hasnile. Edo da holia da hasnile. Edo da oltra gonne shahid ego ajo nile. I don't have behavior nenege. Oltra ba oltra gist antle. Ado hajo just dahle. Halla be yajdil chikle. Di kojo nekesa yana halle. Do ya kojo masan hamma benan tini ya yisi edi bikada. But ajna hajel jodan tini. Ajo da ya nile. Do not be if you don't you get lazy. Or just ego you get lazy. Or not strong in mind, body, caring for others, or spirituality that is weak. Keep your hands to yourself. Don't yell, don't run. Kojigo a dues niya. Kodigi a huyatigi a ya do eat and then get a so do's and the don'ts not know. If you don't, you get lazy. Do da ho jit ho ye chille. Okay, queer. Ado hanne hat is do ziltaile. Okay. Do joba jinnizendal chille. Do which do was just senda. A spirituality lineage. Ado do haidaban jit ida do jitil wishda do honne nanj do nan do nanj do khasan do nana nanj do khasan dole e kwa dole. Ado di so jilabo di the more ya so jilabo. Bis kana a Tuesday ya kwa. Tuesday go ya hanaj docha. Ako ya jije go a di the dole. Ako kwe kodegi bansa as kida dana bansa as kida Monday ya da bansa as kida kojecha sada sejao sentence of yahegi is dole. Aho jit ego hojo jist anse. Ado belagana kisaba is dole. If it's up to you, carefully, hajo, carefully. Ado just listen usually. Carefully listen, usually. Okay, so the AD sana sejaji la the TPRS go in that nikina nego aya. Once you make a little sentence, you gotta start questioning that sentence. That aho jit ego hajo just and then you answer that question. Oh, aho ego this. That's one yes or no question. Yes, anything that is not understandable, you put it into red in English. Okay. Ado koda huyategi ya had ishi it's ajna haloha sigi edi kwe edi hajeda yadil kishla bana mtindi nenigi ajo salana halenige di dole da ahoj ego hojo جدل وش جدش وش يعني جدل وش هذا وده إيش له جدل وش له daga and so you teach him the word no يعني daga aho jid ego do hojo jidel wash da okay daga ado stage dotli aho jid ego hojo idis tle it teaching honam thinole repeat over and over and over as one ado bis kania Wednesday dole Wednesday go two things hajoshi gahagi your kids are not up to performing maybe just activities a topic and then you get a whole egg and then maybe you decided to do a art project so from that art project so here it's no longer you I mean you as a teacher could do a activity with the kids but we really stress the idea that the kids come up with an activity. If it's an art project, then maybe you say, okay, we'll have a poster contest. Yeah, maybe it's that idea of a poster. Okay. So you use your art skills. Yeah. Posters that so you do that. If the kids are a little bit more fluent, then you might say this since you guys know how to make songs, why don't you go ahead and make a song? So that tends to go towards this presentation and demonstration. Once you do this activity, it might stretch into Thursday, Friday. So we practice here, you practice it, or you actually present it over here. Okay. Once you present it, then we go to the last thing called session. So Ina is right here, session is right here. The session is a time you can just ask questions to the kids. So you can check out what is ahojiteo, and let the kids answer it. See, or if I was teaching it online, I might ask the question, "What did you like best about today's lesson?" Because we covered the whole Sakis Nata Inases and all of that in one night because we were together for about an hour and a half. Yeah. So for them, the question might be, "What did you like best about today?" And they can type it in and send it to you. It could be an oral quiz like right here. So one more time and see if they remember this idea. So you could do that, or you could do it writing it out. Okay, you could do it as a reading and writing assignment, or you can just hear the kids talk and you can do a little monitoring. Or you could bring in a guest speaker. So when I teach online, there might be a mother that's there or a grandma that's there. And I'd say, hey, who wants to talk about Navajo a little bit more? And they might share some thoughts about that. So this is a week-long lesson that we would do, choosing topic, always choosing the topic. For as of today, this first week in August, the 21st, though, the 21st week, we talk about Navajo. And you can just kind of follow the same process with the kids, be doing it with the age appropriateness. Okay, so all of us language teachers are going to follow this. Okay, so I just think it's question on that.